probably in my early 20s, I remember saying like, oh, I got to get in shape this weekend, right? And I would, but if I was to try something like that now, it doesn't work the same way. Hey, what's going on? So today I want to talk about, does your age slow down your metabolism, right? Does getting older make your metabolism slow down? And it's interesting because if I think back to when I was younger, I probably in my early 20s, I remember saying like, oh, I got to get in shape this weekend, right? And I would, but if I was to try something like that now, it doesn't work the same way. So I mean, logically, it would lead me to believe that, oh, my metabolism is slowing down as I get older. But truth be told, it's not. That's not. And here's what I mean. If you take let's say a 60-year-old woman and let's say a 20-year-old woman, but they both have the same amount of body fat and lean mass and weight, then their metabolism is about pretty much the same. There's very little difference between their metabolism. So it's not your age that is creating a slower metabolism. It's how much body fat you have and lean mass you have compared to when you were younger, which you probably had less. And that's just because I mean, as we get older, we have more responsibilities. We have a job. Most jobs are sedentary. We're sitting down. We're not really moving. And that lack of activity is a huge factor too, what makes it more difficult, because when we're younger, we're moving around, running around, playing, doing all these different things. But then that slowly stops. So we wind up thinking, oh, it's because I'm older. I don't like to conclude with that. If anybody comes to me saying that, until we've exhausted all methods to see if that's the case, then I refuse to believe that it's hormones, which anytime we've had someone, even a woman going through menopause, we've had many women we work with who were going through menopause and who postmenopausal, and they were able to lose the weight, and it's because, again, they just didn't have the plan, structure, and consistency to get to that result. So it's easy to blame your hormones. It's easy to blame your age. It's harder to take responsibility and say, hey, I'm not doing what I need to do to get to that point. But anyway, I just want to make this quick video. Hopefully that helps. So your age is not going to slow down your metabolism. It's how much weight, how much body fat, how much lean mass you have. So then the first goal to speed up your metabolism would be to decrease that body fat, increase your lean mass, because the more lean mass you have, the more calories you're going to burn without doing anything. And I don't mean getting big and bulky, but putting on some muscle is going to make you look more toned. And it's going to make losing weight even easier. So hope that helps you. See you next time.